everyone, welcome back to my channel. This again is Hannelore. So this is the first block of the alphabet block quilt of background fill designs. So we're starting with A. This is a blended design of loops and leaves. These are just free motion. You do a leaf and then go into any number of loops, do another leaf, do some more loops. This is something I found online, and I've been doing it for a few years. If you'd like to see a video on how I went about this, let me know and I'll throw something quick together. But so our blended background fill for block A is loops and leaves.